Here we have a normal bottle of distilled water, but hit it on the table and it freezes instantly. What is happening here? How is this possible? The answer is colligative properties. So, what are colligative properties? That's probably not a phrase you hear every day. So, what does it have to do with me? Well, colligative properties are actually a huge part of our everyday life. It's because of colligative properties that we put ice on the roads when it's snowing. Ever put antifreeze in your car? Well, that has to do with colligative properties too. It's even because of colligative properties that we have ice cream.
So what are colligative properties? Colligative properties have to do with solutions. Let's remember what a solution is. A solution is a homogeneous or uniform mixture that has a solute and a solvent. The solute is the thing that is being dissolved, and the solvent is the thing that does the dissolving. If we look at the example of salt water, the salt would be the solute, and the water would be the solvent. When you mix them together, the salt is dissolved in the water. So solutions have two types of properties, non-colligative properties and colligative properties. Non-colligative properties are looking at what a solution does based on its molecular makeup. In comparison, colligative properties are looking at the ratio of solute and solvent. So when we're talking about colligative properties, with our saltwater example, we're simply looking at the ratio of the particles of salt versus the amount of water we have.
One type of colligative property is called freezing point depression. Freezing point depression says that the more solute or particles you add to a solution, the more the freezing point will decrease. Let's go back to the icy roads example. Why do we put down salt when it gets cold outside? Well, adding salt particles to the snow on the roads lowers the freezing point of the snow, making it so the roads won't freeze over, even when we experience freezing temperature.
You may be wondering what colligative properties have to do with our instantly freezing water bottle experiment from the beginning of the video. Take a look. Here I have a bowl of ice. If I pour salt over this bowl of ice, I will lower the temperature at which this ice will freeze. By putting the water bottle in the saltwater solution, I allow the water bottle to reach a below freezing temperature without it freezing. But once it's removed, with a small amount of agitation, it will freeze instantly.
In our next class, we will be using our knowledge of colligative properties to make ice cream. So before you come to class tomorrow, I'd like you to do some research. Go online and look up how ice cream is affected by colligative properties, and write a short summary. I can't wait to see you all in class tomorrow. Bye now.